I'm sure you heard this next news, Will. Tesla accepting Bitcoin as payment for its vehicles.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I saw the badge. Did you see what the webpage looks like? How do you think it fits in Bitcoin as an option? There's a screenshot in the article.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, you're
Okay.
too quick on
Let
the
me,
on the Googling and whatnot.
I got excited.
You got very excited. Yeah, so you scroll down, you'll see you can now buy Tesla with Bitcoin. That was March 24th at 3 a.m., by the way, that particular tweet. Although I think crypto is down a little bit last
Oh, yeah.
day and a bit.
Yeah.
So it was short-lived.
It was up when...
It was up and then it was down.
when Elon tweeted about it.
It was up. The other day it was up. The other day it was down.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
That's usually how it goes.
Yeah, you can't be watching these things, man. You just leave it alone. Anyway, I think there's a screenshot. Maybe you gotta go. Oh, damn! There was a screenshot. Where'd they put it? Where'd you put the screenshot?
Is it on the site?
Maybe it was in this. Yeah, maybe just go to the site and it'll pop up. Maybe if you just like go to Tesla's website, pretend to buy a semi or a. Oh yeah, just get the new
Cybertruck.
Yeah, no, you see, wait, there's not even a designation for the Cybertruck up top yet.
Custom order?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead. Sure. Custom order it will. Let's see the Bitcoin pop up over there. Is it there? Or you got to go to like the next stage.
Yeah.
Annoying. Tesla Bitcoin.
Oh, here it is.
You got it. So if I want this Model S, is this your design? I think you could have done better, Will.
Well, I was just trying to get to...
You can't have those wheels on there.
I can't. But
you did.
Just for the purpose of seeing that there's a Bitcoin button.
So the purchase price is $79,990, which equates to how much Bitcoin? Do you have to click on it first to see? Oh, here we go. Enter account details. First name, last name, email address, phone number. Oh, that's it. All right. I see. No. Yeah, that's just for the down. Yeah. I guess it's too volatile to accept anything bigger than that right away. But to be fair, Tesla does the same thing with cash. They just want to get a little bit of cash from you,
right?
A little bit of intel, and then they hit you up and be like, all right, let's follow through on this. How do you really want to pay for it? But hey, he put the tweet out. They got the badge on the website. It all feels very futuristic and fun. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Aren't you having fun?
Sure. Stocks go up, stocks go down.
Yeah.
Right?
It was up the other day, remember?
Yeah.
It was down the other day.
Yeah.